Hey AI engineers, welcome to Smart Engineer AI. Machine learning projects falling apart or dragging on forever. This 7-phase field guide is the fastest way to go from idea to deployment without the overwhelm. Time to dissect each phase fast. Phase 1, problem definition. Start with clarity. Nail the problem, define the goal, and know your data source, or nothing else will matter. Phase 2, data preparation. This is where most time goes and where beginners give up. Garbage in, garbage out, structure and clean your data first. Phase 3, exploratory data analysis. Exploratory analysis builds model intuition. Visualize, question, and listen to your data. Use heat maps or scatter plots to spot patterns fast. Phase 4, model training. Start simple. Think logistic regression before diving into deep learning. Train multiple models, use cross-validation, and tune smart, not brute force. Phase 5, evaluation. Test on unseen data, always. It's the key to avoiding overfitting and knowing if your model actually works. Phase 6, deployment. Deploy smart. Use APIs, containers, or the cloud to make your model actually useful. Flask, fast API, choose the right tool for the job. Finally, Phase 7, monitoring. Models decay. Don't ghost them. Monitor performance, track drift, and retrain to keep them sharp. Quick recap. Machine learning success starts with solid structure. These 7 phases are your blueprint. Problem definition, data preparation, exploratory data analysis, model training, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring. Like what you learned? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI engineering tips. Fast, clean, and powerful.